Imagine a world where legal contracts are drafted not in hours or days, but in minutes. A world where AI-powered tools can analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds, providing insights that would take human lawyers weeks to uncover. This is not science fiction. It's the cutting-edge reality of generative AI in legal contract drafting, and it's revolutionizing the legal industry as we speak. In this course, we will explore how generative AI is revolutionizing contract drafting. By the end, you will be able to leverage AI tools to draft contracts more efficiently, reduce errors, and deliver personalized documents that exceed client expectations. We will cover three main areas. 1. Fundamental of AI in legal contract drafting. 2. Practical application of AI tools in contract creation. 3. Advanced techniques and best practices for AI-assisted drafting. Major law firms are already using AI to draft complex contracts in minutes, tasks that previously took days. In-house legal teams at tech giants are leveraging AI to manage vast libraries of contracts, ensuring compliance across global operations. Okay, consider a busy corporate attorney who juggles multiple contracts daily. By utilizing AI tools, they can automate routine tasks such as identifying key clauses or suggesting revisions based on previous contracts. This not only reduces the risk of errors, but also allows them to focus on more strategic aspects of their work. Hello and welcome. I am Bassem Nabrawi. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this transformative journey with over 10 years of experience in legal practice, specializing in corporate law. I have witnessed firsthand the evolution of our field. My passion for integrating technology and innovation into legal practice has led me to explore the frontiers of AI in law. Throughout this course, I encourage you to engage actively. Ask yourself questions like, how can I apply these AI tools in my current role? Or what specific challenges do I face in contract drafting? We will also have hands-on exercises where you can practice using AI tools in real-time scenarios. By mastering Gen AI in legal contract drafting, you will be equipped to analyze and implement key AI concepts, apply AI tools effectively in your practice, navigate ethical consideration, and create personalized AI-enhanced contract templates. Remember, embracing AI doesn't mean replacing legal expertise. It means amplifying it. Are you ready to revolutionize your approach to contract drafting? Let's begin this exciting journey together.